Milling machine, virtual reality. Now, follow the given instructions to easily perform the dismantling and assembling of the milling machine. Click Next to proceed. Click the Start button to begin the activity. Take the spanner provided on the table, position it on the bolt at the ram arbor bracket end, and rotate it to loosen and remove the bolt and nut. Remove the ram bracket, nut, spacers, and bearing bushes one by one, supporting each component as it slides off the arbor bar. Click Explore to view and move inside the workshop from a point of view perspective. Click Next. Carefully remove the milling cutter from the machine arbor. Remove the remaining bushes from the machine arbor. Using the spanner, rotate the nut anticlockwise to unscrew and remove it from the arbor end. Support the arbor with one hand and gently pull it out from the spindle. Place each removed component systematically on the table. Select an arbor with the correct diameter and taper that matches the machine spindle nose to ensure proper drive engagement. Refit the ram bracket, nut, spacers, bearing bushes, and milling cutter onto the arbor. Use the spanner to tighten the drawbar from the rear side of the spindle. Secure the arbor by tightening the lock nut using the spanner. Take and use a spanner to secure the arbor in the machine by tightening the lock nut. Set the lowest available spindle speed to avoid free rotation of the spindle nose. This module demonstrates safe assembly and disassembly of milling machine components.